Hello kids, welcome to my channel Pixel Kids Play and Learn.
Hey kids! Welcome to Fun Math Adventures, where learning math is fun and exciting. Today we're going to practice addition and... Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with addition. Addition means putting things together. For example, if you have 2 apples and you get 3 more apples, how many apples do you have in total? That's right. 2 apples plus 3 apples equals 5 apples. Great job. Let's try another one. If you have 4 stars and you get 2 more stars, how many stars do you have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes. 4 stars plus 2 stars equals 6 stars. You're doing awesome. Let's take one more example. If you have 2 oranges and you get 2 more oranges, then how many oranges do you have in total? That's right. 2 oranges plus 2 orange equals 4 oranges. Great job. Let's take one more example. If you have 2 lollipops and you will get 3 more lollipops, then how many lollipops do you have in total? Excellent. 2 lollipops plus 3 lollipops equal 5 lollipops. Keep it up. Now it's the time to do some worksheets. Count the objects and add them. Can you add and tell me how many apples are there on the screen? Excellent. It's 5. Can you add the cars appears on the screen? Great job. It's 4. Now count the candies. Correct. It's 4. Now count the dogs. Good. It's 3. Awesome. You did an amazing job today, kids. Let's do basic addition worksheet. What is 2 plus 3? Excellent. It's 5. 4 plus 5 equals... Great job. It's 9. 6 plus 1 equals... Excellent. It's 7. What is 3 plus 7? Great job, kids. It's 10. 5 plus 2 equals... Good job. It's 7. Awesome. You did an amazing job today, kids.
Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please share with your family, friends, and others. Do like, share, and subscribe.